Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how science works in real life? Not in a lab, but right inside your home. Today, we're going to explore amazing science experiments you can safely try at home using simple, everyday materials. These experiments explain physics, chemistry, and biology concepts in a fun and visual way. Experiment 1. Volcano eruption. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the cup. Add food colour and a few drops of dish soap. Slowly pour vinegar into the cup. A bubbly, foamy eruption comes out like a volcano. Science behind it. This is a chemical reaction between an acid, vinegar, and a base, baking soda. They produce carbon dioxide gas, which causes bubbling and eruption. Experiment 2. Floating paperclip. Place tissue paper on water. Gently place a paperclip on the tissue. Let the tissue sink. The paperclip floats. Science behind it. This happens because of surface tension, a force created by water molecules sticking together. Experiment 3. Rainbow in a glass. Prepare different sugar-water solutions. More sugar equals thicker liquid. Colour each solution differently. Slowly pour them one by one into the glass. A beautiful rainbow forms. Science behind it. Liquids with different densities don't mix easily and stay layered. Experiment 4. Static electricity. Butterfly. Cut butterfly shapes from tissue paper. Rub balloon on hair. Hold balloon close to butterflies. Butterflies rise and stick to the balloon. Science behind it. Rubbing creates static electricity, attracting light objects. Science isn't just in textbooks, it's everywhere around us. With simple materials, you can see science in action and understand how the world works. Try these experiments, stay curious, and keep learning. If you enjoyed this video, like. Comment your favourite experiment. Subscribe for more science content. See you in the next video. Until then, keep experimenting.